welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fire starters that you can put in a backpack or carry them with you when you're camping or for whatever purpose you need them for. Today we're going to be using common items that you already have around your house. It's basically repurposing your items, and there's everything we have. So we have toilet paper rolls, masking tape, hot glue gun, and I use Gulf wax normally for this project, but today I'm using Scentsy, which is that wax that smells good. You put it in a paraffin burner and it makes the house smell good. And dryer lint that we've saved up over the past year, because as we all know, dryer lint is very flammable. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first step is we're going to take a toilet paper roll and we're going to crease the end of it. Fold it down and crease the end of it like that. And hot glue it together. Okay. And then just hold it together for a few seconds till the hot glue sets up like that. And it makes that wide angle, kind of like an envelope folded up like that. And then you're going to take your masking tape and put it on the end to where you can double it over and fold it over like that. And what that does is it keeps the wax from running out of the bottom while you're filling the wax on the inside of it. So I actually made that piece a little too long on there, but you're basically going to fold it till it makes an envelope shape. Then you're going to take your bag of lint that I've been saving for the last year. You're going to get some lint out of the bag here and stuff it down in there, but you don't want to pack it too tight. You want to have some air spaces in between the lint. So what I do is just break it apart a little bit, put it in there, get some more, put some more in there, just like so. And basically just fill it, I don't know, about halfway up till it's about halfway full, because you're going to fold the end again like that. And then you're going to take the other end of it, you're going to fold it like you did the first end, crimp it down. You're going to take your hot glue gun like you did the other end, and you're going to glue this end shut just the same way. Except I forgot the step before where you are going to take your wax. You're going to pour wax in there. And I probably should put more, but I'm out of wax on this one. And basically the wax just keeps the... Ow. And be careful because it's hot. Basically the wax just keeps the lint from burning up too fast, because you want the fire starter to burn at an even rate. And you close it up like so, and then you put tape on the end. So here you can see I've got the completed packet, and what I would do was I would just put a little wax on the outside to help it burn a little bit better. So I'm going to conclude the video, and as always, if you found the video useful, please like and subscribe our video. Tell your friends about it. Thank you all and have a great day.